2018 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter i4s V8. Really nice truck, really cleanly done. Only got 50,000 miles on it. Got factory converters, 4 of them, 2 here, 2 there. Then he brought his own FLOWMONSTERS, part number 14416-FM. Right there, as you guys can see, 14 by 4 by 20. Right there, we installed them for him, 2 of them. Then we installed duals, tailpipes on each side, 2 1/4. And then he brought his own custom tips also. They are quads, and we installed it for him also. There's the muffler, there's the tailpipe. It's a dual in, single out muffler that come on these Tundras into a 3-inch tailpipe. He had a 4-inch tip. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead. FLOWMONSTERS. That sounds good. I like it. Sound decibels. Again. 107. Go ahead and back it up. Not bad. Basically, they're like FlowMaster FXs. About the same. Same sound. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know.